Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Sonos amp. This is the Generation 1 and Generation 2, before they changed it to the black style. As you guys can see, over here we have a play and pause button, and over here is the mute button. To factory reset these two, it's the exact same way. So what we're going to do is, we need to unplug it, hold the mute button and plus. And this one, same thing, pause and play, and plus at the same time until the light flashes white. Then release, and your system will be factory reset. I'm going to unplug it. Going to wait a few seconds while all the lights turn off. Now we're going to press and hold the two buttons. Now plug it back in, and you're going to wait. There we go. Once you get that, release, and your amp will now be factory reset. And that's all to it. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.